What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you the fastest boat ever in Build a Boat for Treasure. It's right here. Yeah, flying. Should have wrote best at flying. Okay, this is how you build it. Wait, hold up. This is how you build it. Titanium, balloons, and 2 motors. If you wanna go with your friends, just put a seat. But first, if you build it, delete the rocket and go to the seat. Press the red thing. Go at the back and place back the rocket. Okay. Okay, it's loading. Let the boat go up high and don't press the red thing, cause it's going to mess up. And press the rocket. Look at the map! Oh my god! Dang it! It ran out, bruh. Make sure it's straight. There goes my boat. Okay, let's try that again. Flying. Delete that. Bruh. Go to this. Target. Place back the rocket. Go back to seat. Press launch. Whoa. To make it straight. Okay, let me just make it straight. Also, my friend is here. His name is Boss. Yeah, he's in black team. Boss. Whatever. I left his team because the other guy. He messed everything up. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's go. Oh my god! Why? Whoa. Really again? Gonna end it right there. That's the fastest boat ever. But control it. I need to please bring me some gifts. Please give me some gifts that I can buy the rocket, that I can go even faster. Thank you for watching, I guess. Peace!